Many times people confuse between cyber security and cyber crime. Both are related but both are not same. Cyber safety tips could be, to avoid both. The cyber security is usually important for organizations like the whole school, LM school as an organization. For AIMS, let's say, in Jamtada, you will realize Jamtada serial कितनों ने देखा है? एक हाथ खड़ा, तो अब 4, 5, 10 हो गए, ठीक है, तो काफ़ी लोगों ने देखा है. So you must have realized कि उसके लिए कोई बड़ा expertise नहीं चाहिए. For committing cyber crimes, even a 10th pass student can do it. And what these people are doing nowadays, they deal with so much money that they do courses in cyber crime. Like you do courses in engineering and medical and all. So they do short courses in cyber crime for 15 days or so for ₹1,00,000 or so, and then they become experts because they are taught only one special trick. And through that trick they make crores of rupees. Then after that they learn the new cyber crime. Every 15 days we are facing a new challenge, the new pattern of cyber crime. Cyber crime, volume of cyber crime has become so much. It's not a very old phenomenon. Advent of internet is just 30 years old. 93 or 94 was the first time when internet came to the world. Talking about India, we can say it was just in 2000s, early 2000, and when we started using emails. First use of internet that any person did was of emails, and then slowly now the whole life is online. You can see through Corona, especially during Corona days, our education also became online, our jobs became online, banking became online. So in 20 years, the whole life has come into your palms. The whole world has come into your palms. Therefore, crime naturally will follow where money will go, where relations will go. So, the crime is also getting online. Sometimes, out of the rest of 50, 48, 49 are, just boundary of Dehradun. Means, let's say 100 kilometers. Saharanpur, Muzaffarnagar, Haridwar, maximum Bijnor, maximum bordering Haryana and Punjab. That is the range. Only 1% criminal, and not all of them, because some local link will always be there. Only 1% criminal will be from far away, maybe. So out of these 12 stories, 2 are African criminals. One from Nigeria, one from Cameroon. So that is the ratio that we have, even overseas criminals in cybercrime. Aware, alert of educating people towards cybercrime. Just a short video. So this is what we need to do. We need to ask questions. कि ये कॉल क्यों आ रही है, ये वीडियो क्यों आ रहा है, मेरी लॉटरी क्यों निकल गई, कि अभी आजकल KBC लॉटरी बोलने लग गई है आपकी. So that is very important. Being inquisitive, being wanted to gift a puppy to her daughter on her birthday. She had lost her husband in Corona. Real story. All 12 are real stories. This is a Dehradun woman who wanted to gift puppy to her daughter, and in that name she loses 66 lakh rupees. And imagine the deal. The original deal was only for 15,000 rupees. The person, the criminal came out to be from Cameroon, and he originally told her the dog is for 15,000 rupees. But then slowly again like that first you need to give security, which will be returned back to you. Then we are caught in customs, we are caught by police, like that. Finally, and then they will show then the video of the puppy and the mother and daughter both became emotional that they will just one day get the puppy. फिर ये trap हो गया, फिर वो trap हो गया कि मेरा 20 लाख चला गया, and every time he would say कि now you just give this 5 lakhs more and then you will get back everything. So in the hope कि उसको बाकी पुराना मिल जाएगा, she kept on paying money. She ended up paying 66 lakh rupees. So these are the 12 stories in the book. Gang, we caught one gang, and these are also. These are from Nalanda and Nevada, from Jharkhand area, that Jamtada area. Our overall data shows fraud is about 50% of total cybercrime. Almost 50%. Rest 50% includes all this and so much more. Just imagine dating apps, fake profiles roaming around there. They are picking up people who are genuinely interested in dating and then committing all kinds of cyber crimes with them. Similarly, latest cyber radicalism. People are radicalizing. Terrorists, you can say, are radicalizing online. You are playing games and then slowly radicalization starts. They start converting you. 2 cases we already got in Dehradun. And then they start making you terrorist. कहीं ना कहीं ISIS का ideology सिखा रहे हैं आपको. So this is just an example कि where cybercrime can lead us to. Cyber extortion related to some story related to sex. It used to happen earlier with males only. Nowadays it's happening with young girls also. So it's important because these young girls, cybercrime, I came across a story in Haldwani. What they were doing were earlier, they will make a call, usually with males. And on the other side will be a nude woman, and then they will take a screenshot and then they will try to blackmail him. That if you don't give me money, I'll make it viral. And nowadays, what they started doing, that you are actually not, in earlier days people used to be linked, as I told you that story of honey trap. Nowadays, they just unknown video call to you, you just pick it up, you did nothing wrong. On the other side is an obscene movie or some nude woman, and then again a screenshot. So you've not done any mistakes till your video or photograph is taken. Now you are being blackmailed. इसका रियल आपको मैं बताता हूँ. अभी just a week back, I got a call from one retired chief secretary of Uttarakhand. He says that one of my known person has got trapped into cybercrime, and that was sextortion. And story is, he is a retired LIC employee. He lives in Pithoragarh now. Just a week back the case has been registered. 4 years ago, his screenshot was taken 4 years ago, and for last 4 years he is being blackmailed. 45 lakh rupees they have taken from him. When he had nothing left, then he has approached police. Because वो तो उनको तो जो कहानी 4 साल पहले थी, वीडियो वायरल करने का डर या फोटो वायरल करने का डर, वो आज भी है. Just imagine the trauma that he has been going through all through these years. He's lost money also and he has lost mental. आप सोचिए कि वो लोग इतना fearless हो गए हैं. Because as I told you, going thousands of miles away, catching the criminals, वो लोग आके पुलिस को ही घेर लेते हैं. तो उनको डर नहीं बचा. They think जितना बड़ा ऑफिसर होगा, जिसकी फ़ोटो लगाएंगे उतनी जल्दी पैसा मिलेगा. कभी जस्टिस के लगा देते हैं, कभी किसी मिनिस्टर के लगा देते हैं. तो इस बार उन्होंने पुलिस ऑफिसर के लगा दिया. तो we arrested those criminals, but it is not easy. It took us almost 20 days to catch them from Visakhapatnam. तो थे तो मेवात के, जहाँ भी ये दंगे हो रहे नू साइड के, बट वो बिकॉज मेवात इज न्यू जामताड़ा, यू मस्ट ऑल नो. जामताड़ा से ज़्यादा क्राइम अब मेवात में हो रहा है, साइबर क्राइम. तो किसी तरह उनको पकड़ के लाए। तो आइडेंटिटी थेफ्ट में एक बड़ी बात आप लोग सोचिए, हमारा कितना कुछ सोशल मीडिया पे है, योर फोटोग्राफ्स, योर वीडियोज़, योर आधार कार्ड, योर पैन कार्ड, योर ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस, समथिंग कहीं ना कहीं हम जमा करते हैं, वो सारा का सारा डार्क वेब के थ्रू कहीं ना कहीं बिक रहा है, योर डाटा, एंड देन थ्रू दैट दे विल फेक यू एनीवेयर। नाउ विद द एडवेंट ऑफ AI तो और मुश्किल हो गया। सोशल इंजीनियरिंग ट्रिक क्या है, वो इसी सब के थ्रू, सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू आइडिया लगा लेंगे, पूरा आपका लोकेशन कहाँ है, आपके बाकी परिवार वाले कौन कौन हैं, किसका क्या लिंक है, दे डू रियल रिसर्च, तब वो जाके साइबर क्राइम करते हैं, सोशल इंजीनियरिंग वाला जो क्राइम्स होते हैं। Therefore, I shared you some safety tips. Safeguard your personal information. Strict, make your privacy settings very strict. आप सर्च करेंगे सबसे पहले वो आएगा। वो रियल जो IRCTC के थ्रू हो रहा था इस बार वो नहीं आएगी, क्योंकि वो तो पढ़े हुए एक तरफ काम कर रहे थे, नॉट इनटू दिस कि अपने को उन्होंने हाईलाइट करना है। तो आप सोचिए, उसमें मैंने गूगल किया, मैं ऐसी वेबसाइट में जाके फंस गया। अभी कितनी फैमिलीज, हाउ ट्रोमेटिक इट इज़ फॉर देम, बेचारे खड़े हुए हैं गुप्तकाशी हेलीपैड पे, किसी के थ्रू मेरे पास फ़ोन आ रहा है, सर हम लोग आंध्रा से आए थे और जो है या गुजरात से आए थे, 14 लोग हैं, हमने 1 लाख रुपया दिया एंड नाउ वी फाइंड आउट दैट टिकट्स आर फेक। जस्ट इमेजिन, आप पूरी तैयारी कर रहे हो, पैसा अलग गया, एक हफ्ता आपका गया और फिर आप जा भी नहीं पा रहे, दर्शन भी नहीं कर पा रहे। तो ऐसे दे आर स्टैंडर्ड, गेटिंग ए न्यू टिकट इज़ नॉट ईजी। So, not in a public place, but child pornography, even surfing it is a crime, and they will know automatically. Government of India has now made a system. Anyone in India surfing child pornography, if they will come to know, and then a case will be registered against it. Child pornography is a big crime. 3-4 tips are basic tips. Always take screenshots. If cyber crime has happened to you, always take screenshots. Or always take URL address. Again, जिधर से आ रहा था, जिस वेबसाइट से हुआ था, because बाद में बचेगा नहीं वो. They will delete. They will, delete their website. Preserve all mail or chat history. If they are doing cyberbullying or cyber molestation. Online molestation you can say. So you can record audio of harassment. This is the National Cybercrime Reporting Portal and National Cybercrime Helpline 1930. जब भी कोई भी साइबर क्राइम होता है तो रिपोर्ट एट 1930 immediately. That will not be FIR registered, but that will be a complaint registered. Next step is you could go to nearest police station or nearest cybercrime police station. Another one is you can dial 112. It's a general number for any emergency. It works 24/7. रात के 2 बजे भी कॉल करेंगे तो हमेशा रिस्पॉन्स बैक आएगा और 10 मिनट में पुलिस आएगी भी आपके पास. So we have also linked this 112 to our Uttarakhand police app. Uttarakhand police app has Gora Shakti module. It has third eye, traffic eye module. Means if you see a traffic violation, you can click the photo or video and put it on Uttarakhand police app. तो अगले दिन चालान उनके घर पहुंच जाएगा. मतलब that means you become the police. These are going to be 100 times more to us. Faster the internet, faster will be online activity and more challenge for us. AI challenge I just told you. Drones challenge. Imagine. Nowadays Pakistan does not do infiltrate on ground. It infiltrates through drones. बॉर्डर पे ड्रोन उड़ा दिया, अपने एरिया से 1 किलोमीटर इंडिया में घुसा दिया और आपको ड्रग्स भी दे दिया, वेपन्स डाल दिया ड्रोन्स के थ्रू. तो सोचो कितना बड़ा क्राइम हो जा रहा है. और ड्रोन्स के थ्रू लेटेस्ट अभी असैसिनेशन सामने आया. यस, ड्रोन्स ने आयरिस स्कैन करके बंदे को आइडेंटिफाई किया और फिर जो है स्नाइपर शॉट मारा. Cryptocurrency is the latest Havala. Dark web, I told you, is through dark web they are getting, old data is sold on darknet. Any kind of drugs you can buy on darknet. Weapons you can buy on darknet. So these are future challenges for us. Deep fakes, voice cloning. With the advent of AI, they can make your, they can clone your voice, or they can make videos almost as good as real. So it is very difficult to differentiate between fake and real. That's why it is called deep fake. So nowadays, through voice cloning, they will sometimes pose, they will call the parents and they'll say that your child has been kidnapped, and just listen to his voice, and that will be all fake. It will not be real child's voice, but cloning कर रखी है, and you will get into trap emotional. पैसे डाल देंगे, या बोलेंगे आपके वाइफ है, हस्बैंड है, एक्सीडेंट हो गया है, तो देन अगेन डिमांड फॉर मनी. The last one, courier frauds. This happened recently. These are very common nowadays. पिछले एक महीने से चल रहा है ये वाला फ्रॉड. जो दिल्ली में एक डॉक्टर से 4.5 करोड़ ले लिया, 4.5 करोड़. What they said, सोशल इंजीनियरिंग के थ्रू उसके सारा डिटेल ले लिया, सब कुछ, और फिर बोला कि यू सेंट ए पार्सल टू दिस एड्रेस. He said, मैंने तो कोई पार्सल नहीं भेजा. बोला आपका नाम ये है ना, आपका एड्रेस ये है ना, आपका ये 4 डिटेल बता दिया जो उसने सोशल इंजीनियरिंग से इकट्ठा किया था. बोलो दिस इज योर पार्सल एंड इट हैज ड्रग्स, नाउ यू विल बी अरेस्टेड. Narcotic Control Bureau will be after you. So we are calling from NCB. Then they'll pose as NCB or ED or CBI. In this case, they posed as CBI and took 4.5 crores settled. पूरा होमवर्क करते हैं, जो मूवीज में भी आपने देखा ना, 30-11 कौन सी थी, 26-11. तो वो ऐसे फेकिंग करते हैं, तो ऐसे करके पूरा टीम बना करके दे फाइनली सेटल्ड दैट with the doctor for 4 crores. Later on he came to know it was all fake. ठीक है, तो उसको 100% सिक्योर कभी मत मानिए, but that does not mean that we leave the online world. We are all working in the online world. इसके जैसा Honorable Prime Minister has said that AI is the future. Artificial intelligence is the future. सारी दुनिया, सारा बिजनेस अभी AI पे आने वाला है, आ रहा है, तो हम उसको छोड़ नहीं सकते. But we have to be aware and alert about what is coming in the future. Therefore, जो मेरा लास्ट टिप आपको अभी तक जितना आपने देखा है, मेरा लास्ट टिप है 5 Ws. 5 Ws क्या होते हैं? Vellums. First is vellums. 5 Ws आर्मी में भी सिखाते हैं. 5 questions: what, why, when, where, how. हिंदी में 5 कब, कहाँ, क्यों, कैसे, इसलिए. ये सारी बातें पूछिए, सोचिए, अपने आप को सोचिए. डोंट बी इन ए हरी. मुझे कुछ सर्फिंग करना है, उसने कुछ ऑप्शन मांगा, खट से क्लिक मार दिया. देर आस्किंग यू फॉर योर फोटोग्राफ परमिशंस, योर कॉन्टैक्ट परमिशन, योर दिस दैट. जो ये सब मांग रहा है उसको मतलब 90% टाइम्स यू कैन जस्ट लीव दैट. अच्छा, जो मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक ऐप्स हैं उन्हीं पे रहिए. हमको ही पता है ट्विटर, फेसबुक ये ऑथेंटिक ऐप्स हैं, या है ना, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट जो जितना नया नया ऐप्स आ रहा है, चाइनीज़ ऐप में, इसमें एक चाइनीज़ घोटाला बोलना भूल गया, पावर बैंक ऐप स्कैम, दिस मेंशन इन दिस बुक. 2021 they took away 1500 crore rupees from India. 2021 they were on the Google Play Store for 3 months, from March 21 to June 21, and then they promise that they will double your money in 15 days because we are investing in IIT's startups, IM wala startups. So people thought initially they invested 5-10,000, they thought चलो ट्राई करते हैं, पैसा आ गया डबल हो गया. फिर उन्होंने अगली बार 50,000 1 लाख लगाया, फिर से पैसा आ गया 2 लाख हो गए, डबल हो. तो दे थॉट ये तो रियल में बड़े बड़े स्टार्टअप्स में लगा रहे, दैट्स व्हाई मनी इज गेटिंग डबल्ड अप. एंड आफ्टर 3 months व्हेन दे वर एबल टू कलेक्ट 1500, दे जस्ट वैनिश्ड. पूरा प्ले स्टोर से ही अपने को उड़ा लिया उन्होंने, गायब. पूरा पावर बैंक ऐप ही गायब हो गया. सो जितना नया नया ऐप्स है ना, उसको तो आसानी से बिलीव ही मत करिए. ओनली एस्टेब्लिश्ड ऐप्स, उन पे काम करना है. सो दीज आर माई बेसिक टिप्स एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट.